Happy February. I'm excited to introduce you to this month's Happy Mail subscription box. This one is called Spring Meadow, and you can see that it's all kinds of beautiful spring colors. So there's a beautiful mix of different specialty papers, glitter and foil, some mulberry paper, just some beautiful textures and finishes, and an awesome color palette. So let's go ahead and jump in and I'll show you exactly what's included in this month's kit. This month our subscription box starts with a beautiful Encore color palette. We have banana pudding, lemon twist, tea green, lilac lace, and sand dollars. So lavender and some yellows, tea green, and this really pretty pale gray. So that is our color palette that we started with. And then we added some specialty papers to coordinate. We have sequin glitter in lilac. We have Encore Wow. This is a no shed glitter cardstock in pale plum. We have some vellum in tea green. This is an 8.5 by 11 sheet of translucent vellum. This is dotted Swiss Irish eyes. It has a cool embossed dot texture. Then we have our matte foil. This is sage green. Yeah, sage is the color. It's just a very pale green. It's beautiful, and it is a little bit reflective, but it's not mirror, it's matte. Then we have our Thai Unryu paper. This is mulberry paper, the beautiful wispy paper. Then we have Mohawk flax. It's hard to see, but this has a craft colored, like kind of a fibers woven through it. So while it looks white on camera, it's actually kind of a multi-tone paper. Then we have Grana Grossa. This is actually one of my favorite papers in the shop, and it's so overlooked, but it's a white paper, but it has a beautiful cotton linen-y finish that almost feels like old-fashioned watercolor paper, or like something that an old-fashioned painting would be on. So it's got gorgeous texture. It's got kind of a dimpled surface. Beautiful. Then we have an Echo Park taupe shimmer paper. This is a pearlescent smooth paper. It's got really pretty gold kind of shimmer to it. We have Glitter Luxe, and this is brass gold. And then we have Sequin in Gold Treasure, and this is got the sequin shaped glitter, so it's super shiny. And last but not least is matte brushed gold foil. This month's project is a set of vintage inspired Easter cards. There's 4 of them. And you might be thinking, isn't it a little bit early for Easter? And yeah, it kind of is, but some of our customers receive their boxes at the end of the month because of their billing cycle. So we wanted to make sure people had plenty of time, even those customers who are getting it late in the month, to create with. So obviously, this is beautiful spring colors, so you don't have to do Easter cards, but the class is Easter. So we'll be making all 4 of these cards, and we'll be doing some fun techniques like basket weaving and wreath making a little shadow box sugar egg. So we hope you'll join us. This is the free class this month included with your kit. If you're already a Happy Mail subscriber, this is on its way to you shortly. And if you are not yet a subscriber, it's a great month to do so. You'll get this beautiful kit, a fun project, and hopefully it will inspire your creativity and you'll make some really beautiful stuff.